Hi friends, once again I'm Kamal here with a new video. I hope last time you have checked parts of speech I spoke about, and I gave the definition of noun in that clip. If you have not visited that one, please check that video so that it will be very clear for you to understand this video. So let us talk about noun today. As I told you, noun is name, nothing more than that. Now let me teach you what actually proper noun is. Here it is proper noun. Proper noun talks about one particular name or a definite name. This is the definition. Proper noun talks about one definite or a particular name of anything. Here I have given name of my student, Premit. I am talking about Premit, one particular person, that she is Premit. So this is proper noun. You can see here Darjeeling, that's my place, Darjeeling. I am talking about one particular name of a place. So proper noun deals with one particular name of, it can be place, person, thing, or anything, that name, but particular name. You have to remember one thing, proper name, noun deals with particular name, that's all. Common noun. Common noun is actually, this signifies group in one. For example, student. Now, student falls under a group. Student can be school student, college students, in one umbrella, that name student. Within the student, many will come. But then, it is not a particular group. It is not a particular group. It can be 5 years old student, 10 years old student. It can be research student. It can be school student, college student. But in one name, it will carry all of them. So in one group, everybody will come. This is common noun. Now, collective noun. People have, or the students, they have problem in understanding common and collective noun and to differentiate these two. Now, what is collective noun? Collective noun is also group. So, in collective noun, it talks about a group only, but particular group. For example, I have here bunch and army. And also we can write team. Sorry for the rough handwriting. I wrote this actually team. Here team means, in team, you can see the players having same quality and same ability. But on the other hand, when we go to common noun here, girl means all girls may not be of same age or same ability or same quality. But in collective noun, they are also group but having same ability and same quality. So the difference between collective and common noun is this only. It is also a group, but it is a group of variety. Collective noun, it is also a group, but it is a group of same kind. This is the only difference between common noun and collective noun. Group of variety, group of same kind. Now, material noun. Material noun, it is actually a name which is made up of by other nouns. For example, marker. This is a marker. You can see it is plastic, it is ink and color. So putting it together, it became one marker. So material noun is always made up by using other materials. It can be gold, it can be silver, even it can be this whiteboard. So material noun is very easy, made up by other. Now abstract noun. Confusion. Many students, they have confusion in understanding the difference between common noun and collective noun. That confusion feeling is also abstract noun. So, happiness, to make it very understandable, abstract noun is a feeling. It is a feeling. It is not in concrete shape. You can just feel it. Like I gave this confusion and happiness and prayer, joy, all these are actually abstract noun. It is a feeling. So let me summarize this into in a gist. Proper noun, it is a name, talks about particular name, person or anything, particular name. Remember, particular name. Common noun, it is a group in single umbrella but of variety. Collective noun, it is also a group but in single umbrella but of same kind. Group of same kind, group of variety. Material noun, it is made up of by using other. Abstract noun, it is a feeling which is not in a concrete shape. So this is 5 types of noun. One thing you have to remember, in proper noun, it starts with the capital letter. All the proper nouns has to be started with capital letter. You have to understand that one. And abstract noun, you can see, abstract noun actually comes from adjective. Now, you can see here, adjective. It is also, we can use later on when I will deal with adjective, I will make it more clear. So, that's all, this is noun. So, I hope you understood this noun. So, when I come next time, we will deal with pronoun. So, thank you for watching this video. If you are finding this video very, very fruitful for you, do subscribe and give me a chance to help you and other. Thank you and have a great day. Namaste all. Thank you.